So you put butter and french fries in my exhaust pipe. Okay, start her up. Today, Alex and Jaeger Troop. We're gonna meet up with CN Cycle. Then we're going to Anaheim, where CN Cycle is gonna take us to one of his favorite restaurants. I should probably warn you guys how hungover I am. So hopefully this isn't a low energy video. Alex on the Harley. I've known Alex for a long time. He's a good dude. His past few bikes have all been sport bikes, but he's gotten so much trouble with them that now he's riding a Harley because he's not responsible enough to own a sport bike. I've been having a lot of fun wheeling out of corners lately. It's my new thing. I'm gonna go see Bob. Bob's always fun. You ever met Bob, Alex?
Yeah.
I bet you have. Am I recording?
I don't know. I had the red buttons on, yeah.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Came to see Bob. Bob's cock. All right, here we go. Here we go. Rim of the world. Yo, Sub D. Come out here from the Bay Area. Love the vids, man. Right on. Thanks, Kurt and Ginger. See you later, Bob.
20 minutes later.
We're gonna go meet CN Cycle at Chapman and Jamboree, and then from there we're going to Fullerton, not Santa Ana or Anaheim, wherever I said earlier. We're going to a place called Angelo and Vince's. We get some spaghetti and meatballs. It's an Italiano place. Eating a lot of Italian lately on this channel, aren't we? It's all right. Out of all the foods, Italian's up there for me. This time I didn't choose where we're going. This is a CN Cycle thing. What's up, brother? Dude, you couldn't ask for a nicer day. For real, man. That's sad. It's really sad. All through this road, there's crosses and memorials, man. This is one of those roads, if you want to have a lot of fun and go crazy, you can do that, but you have to go super fast on it. It's just not worth it. You know, and it's sad, but I bet at least once a week somebody dies on this road. Especially in the summer when it's nice out. A lot of motorcycles travel this road and want to screw around. We all do that stuff, but unfortunately, sometimes we pay the price, man. But yeah, so I imagine these shrines only stay up for a little while. Otherwise, this whole road would just be nothing but a big, long memorial. There's a big shrine right there. Sucks. I personally think it'd be okay marking a spot where somebody passed away on a road, right? I mean, it's essentially, it's the ultimate reminder to pay attention to your shit. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think roadside memorials should stay there forever? '87. What's up, sir?
How are you?
Good. So today we're going to a place that you wanted to go to.
It's called Angelo and Vinci's. It's an Italian restaurant in downtown Fullerton. I think it's been around for almost 50 years, 47 years or something like that. It's right next to the old classic Fox Theater where they used to show movies. A lot of people back in the day from Hollywood come down to vacation that area. So there's a lot of movie memorabilia and weird stuff on the inside. Good food and good things to look at.
When's the last time you were there?
A long time.
Slug bug pow. Army truck. I like it. Don't even think about pulling out Prius. I don't know if I should be telling you guys this or not, but I found a new YouTube channel that I want to tell you about. Well, it's not a new channel, but it's new to me. This old lady, she rides around in this mobility scooter. She's like pissed off all the time and she thinks the world's out to get her. She mounted a camera on the top of this little scooter and freaks out at people that are like doing bad shit. Her name is Mobility Mary, and she is pretty funny. I'll put a link to her channel in the description of the video. And it's not even that she's like funny. So if you like go through her channel and you watch all her videos, it's actually not that interesting. There's some people that have gone through all her videos and pulled out all the interesting stuff. I'll link to one of those videos instead. It's pretty funny. Mobility Mary. Here it is, man. Huh. You know it's gonna be good. Look at this place.
Looks really crowded.
This place was good, man.
Dude, I wouldn't steer you wrong, bro.
You've done it before, though.
When?
I don't know. I'm just kidding.
I got the meatball sandwich and it was bomb.
You loved it, huh?
.com.
What about you?
Lasagna.
Lasagna.
Porno.
Was it amazing?
It was pretty fucking amazing.
Best lasagna you ever had in your life?
I don't know.
Top 5?
Top 5.
I got the chicken sandwich and onion rings.
Best sandwich you ever had in your life?
No.
Top 10?
No.
Top 20?
Yeah, for sure.
Top 20. All right. I got spaghetti meatballs. Wasn't the best, wasn't the worst. Somewhere right in the middle. I'd be back, though. All right, now what? You want to go ride around on the coast?
Yeah.
You're not going to get me in trouble, are you? What'd you put in there?
Butter and french fries.
So you put butter and french fries in my exhaust pipe. Okay, start her up. All right, so we're not going home yet. We're gonna go look at the ocean. That's what we're gonna do. Because the ocean is fun. Out of my way, Prius. What's going on with this thing?
Hey, dickhead.
What happened? What happened? So seeing Cycle had to dip out. I didn't get to say goodbye to him, man. I like that dude. He's a good friend, man. Damn, dude. I think that dude's Porsche is overheating. I was smelling antifreeze, but I thought it was my bike. It was his Porsche. And this is why motorcycles are better than cars. Actually, this is why motorcycles in California are better than cars. I'm gonna beat them all. Laguna Beach is a smoke-free. That sign said Laguna Beach is a smoke-free city. What if you're in your car? Can you smoke in your car? Do they own the air? I mean, how does this work? Smoke-free city. Oh, shit. Okay. Let's go look at the ocean. I wish the Pacific Ocean wasn't freezing all the time.
We were down here one time, actually right over there by the rocks. Some people were spearfishing and shit, so the water was getting all chummed up. Next thing I know, I turn around and everybody's gone. We were out there just snorkeling around and shit, fucking around. I turn around and like nobody's around me. I look out the water, everybody's standing on the beach going like this. I get in there and they're like, dude, you didn't see that shark?
Oh, hell no.
There was like a 5 or 6 foot shark by you. You know, we get home, everybody was like, there's a shark out there. Get home and watch the news. It was like a 10-foot tiger shark.
Yeah.
Yeah, those things are like super aggressive too, aren't they?
Hey, asshole, thanks for saying something.
Alright, I'm gonna head down.
All right, sir.
Take it easy.
Fun day.
Yeah. Thanks for inviting me.
I'll see you Monday.
Yeah, I can only ride for like a couple hours. So.
Yeah, me too.
Douche.
Where'd it go? Oh.
Douche king.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it zipped right on, bitch. I'll grab it. Stop fucking my shit.
Thanks, sir.
Ooh, you gotta be quicker than that. Nice.